Okay guys, looks like the Bobcat leaked quite a bit of oil. I'm gonna cold start it. It has been started for 3 weeks. Checked oil, it's fine, gas is fine, everything else. Gotta put the key in it and connect the battery and run it a little bit here, because it's been sitting for quite a while. So, let's see what happens here. Pull the choke out. It's out for 3 weeks. Leaked a bunch of oil. Really leaking oil. There you go. Cold start on the Bobcat 610, 3 weeks. Thanks for watching. Alright, I got it battery charged up. I leveled off the thing a little bit. Ran it. Battery was really charging. It should be good now. You gotta run them once in a while. Looks like we got a leaky hose right there. Tire's low. Oil in there. Yeah, she's warm. Not much gas in there. Let's put some gas in there. Well, there you go. It started. Sitting there for 3 weeks when the battery disconnected. Because otherwise it does drain the battery, otherwise I don't know why. I run into this on purpose. I see I smashed it. Oh well. And here's the Ritchie van. We ran it yesterday or day before. It's starting to rust a little bit, but it runs really good. Yeah. I got the keys. I should start it. I gotta put some tranning fluid in there too. It's out of tranning fluid. Oh, my wheels are off the ground. Look at that. Huh. That's interesting. Well, there you go. And it's always windy out. Can never film, can never do nothing, can't mow the lawn. I want to get my mower out and mow the lawn because it's starting to look shabby, and of course you can't rake the yard or nothing. Sickening. Trees are starting to bloom. Kind of leveled it off a little bit here just to make it look nice. Well, grass is a little bit brown in spots, but it's not too bad. steps we got done. Not completely done yet, but that was pretty rotted. It was completely rotted. Try to get the lawnmower started here. I'm going to see if we can get the lawnmower started in the next video. I battery charged it for a long time, and let's see if that one starts next here. If it doesn't, then I'm going to be pissed. I'm going to have to buy a new battery, as usual. So, I'm going to go to the next video and get them ends put on, and we'll see what happens. See you in a bit. Okay, we're going to see if it starts. I haven't tried it, I just connected the battery, that's it. So. Runs. All I needed to do is have the battery in trickle charge for a couple days, and that's all you needed. Make sure there's starter didn't stick on here. Nope. There you go. So that battery is hopefully good. Had it unplugged for a couple, 3 days. Just tried the deck, it works. So I think we're in business now. So well, I've started the Bobcat, it hasn't been started for 3 weeks. I started this, hasn't been started for a week since I did the video. I had the battery charger on 2 amps for 2 days. So we should be set to go. I'm happy, the deck works. I put the deck on myself. I'm surprised I didn't break it. So, well, the carpenter guy's coming. So, thanks for watching, and I thought I'd make a video. Cheers, guys. And it is fucking windy outside. Hey there, old fart. I don't know. Looked like an old fart. Thanks for watching, guys, and comment, rate, subscribe.